Philly, fuck you. Bam, how you like that shit? It's not a fucking game.
Andy Pettit part of it, the starter and winner tonight.
We did it!
3 hits.
We did it!
As he gets his
Yes!
Jorge Posada.
Yes!
Caught all 9 innings.
Right! Fuck that!
27th
Again.
championship.
Hannibal, up in New York, NYC, fucking place to be and shit. Yankees did the shit, you know what I mean?
I gotta get mine. Hold on, here. I gotta get mine.
Look at that shit. Salute, bitch. Fucking Facebook, YouTube, everybody's gonna watch this shit. You gonna watch it?
We go around the field.
Watch. Hello. That's the winning play. Oh, nigga walked it out. Hey. 1, 2.
The nigga put a fucking genie in there.
Shut up.
Hey.
Hey. Put hair on your ass and chest. Oh, you motherfucking non-believers.